Point-of-service sale is essential to any retail experience. With 260 stores in 16 locations throughout Europe, Søstrene Grene relies on innovation to drive customer engagement. Søstrene Grene's legacy POS systems, however, couldn't keep up with the fast-paced, competitive world of retail. Using old peripherals, outdated technology, and slow connections, their POS needed an upgrade. For help, Søstrene Grene turned to Simply SNUC, a global partner for customized mini PC solutions. Here, the retailer achieved a POS that was more agile and reliable than ever imaginable. Simply SNUC's solution uses Intel NUC mini PCs, technology already preferred by the Søstrene Grene offices. As a result of client testing, units were customized to include 4 high-speed USB-C ports, allowing the mini PCs to efficiently process inputs across multiple systems and in the cloud. The streamlined software limits disruptions, while the intuitive hardware design is easy to fix. Simplicity, affordability, and reliability ensure Søstrene Grene operations run smoothly each day. Simply SNUC support is with them at every step. As the chain expands, rapid, confident deployment of this custom POS system remains critical to their success. How can Simply SNUC help you grow?